Okay, Model Rocks 321 here. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumb up on the video. This is an unboxing video. We're going to open this box up and show you what Estes sent to me as a gift. I appreciate it. Let's get right into this right now. Let's see what we got going on. I could look on this packing slip, but it's more fun to do it like this. Let's see what we got here. All right, a little cut right there. All right, open this guy up. Let me close this blade. I don't want to, I don't want to get cut. And what we have here, all right, first we got this. This was packed by Karen. They've been sending these cards out. Thanks for your order. Even though this was not a, a purchase, it was a gift. And looky here, we got the So Long. We got the So Long #1. And we got So Long #2 for me and my good friend Michael O'Brien. So we have replacements. So we can get the So Longs launched again. We will have to do some kind of tracker, some kind of GPS, and go super high. See it right there, So Long, 3,600 feet. If you saw a previous video, I'll attach it onto the end of this video. You'll see we launched these So Long rockets, and we both lost them. For those that don't know, all we recovered back were the boosters. Here's my booster. Got my number on it right there. The rockets had, my rocket had its had a number on it, but still no, as of this video, still no contact. But hopefully one day somebody finds it. It was a nice one. It was made really well. It was pretty. But I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna fly it again. So we have two of these. One's mine. I'm gonna give one to Mike since he lost his also. So he'll get one and one for me. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks to Estes. Be sure to support Estes. Go over there. Use the discount code. I have a code, so it should be on the screen right now. It's also below in the link. I also have my P.O. box in the link. If you'd like to support the channel, there's a donation, there's a Cash App, and there's a PayPal. It's up to you. If you want to support the channel any kind of way, drop a comment, hit the thumb up. Share the videos, man. You guys out there, you watch. You can copy the link. You can send it in a text message to any of your friends, families, any younger people to get them into the hobby. But yeah, share the video. You can post the video anywhere you want. I don't mind that. That's cool. You can put it into a rocket group. You see something on my channel that you like, put it in a group. Tell some people, hey, check out this channel to keep this hobby going, and just to share it around. That helps. Helps everything. Helps everybody. Share the hobby around and shows the channel to some more people. Get some more support over here. But this is very nice of Estes to send to replace our lost So Long rockets. So we will be launching these again once I get mine built. I did like my paint scheme with the bright orange. I think I'm gonna go with that again. I build it all up and I'm gonna do it again. I really could just build the top and I'll have and use this, but I'm gonna keep that in case the other one shows up one day and I'll have its own booster. But I'm gonna rebuild it the same way. So it's Model Rocks 321, guys. Subscribe, appreciate you, and see you on the next video. Check out these videos right here. Check these videos out.